In a world that never stops moving, sometimes the greatest medicine is to simply stand still, to take off your shoes, place your bare feet upon the earth, and remember where you came from. This simple practice is known as grounding or earthing, and it's something our ancestors did every single day without even thinking about it. Today, many of us are cut off, insulated by concrete, rubber soles, and artificial living. But when you reconnect, when skin meets soil, something profound happens. Science is beginning to confirm what ancient wisdom has always known. The earth carries a natural energy, a subtle electrical charge that flows directly into us when we make contact. This exchange can calm the nervous system, reduce inflammation, improve sleep, and bring balance to the body's rhythms. Grounding is not complicated. It does not require equipment or cost. 10, 20 minutes a day is often enough. Grass, soil, sand, even stone, all can restore what modern living strips away. Beyond the science, grounding is also a reminder that we are not separate from this earth. We belong to it. To stand barefoot on the ground is to say, I am home. So tomorrow morning or tonight under the stars, step outside. Let your feet touch the living earth. Feel her heartbeat beneath you. And remember, the simplest path to healing has been beneath you all along.